Hi, Katrina. Your essay is great. It's short. It's 728 words, and it was supposed to be 800. And I mean, the 800 really should be in the paragraphs, and yours is 800, including the works cited sheet. Which, by the way, um, I can't remember what word processor you use, but you can maybe I can show you in class how to get your hanging indent to appear correctly. I did leave a couple notes about places that you could develop your ideas. One is here in the introduction, you only referenced um, an idea from one source, and you were supposed to reference ideas from two sources. And then in your first body paragraph, I felt like you could have done more analysis. You could have gone a little deeper and explained how this vision of the future would bring you happiness according to your definition. But overall, it looks really good.